So while we're cleaning this 200 series Land Cruiser for a customer of ours, I just thought I'd show you some tips and tricks for vacuuming. Just a quick little video just to offer you some of the things that I've picked up over the years that I've been detailing cars. Thousands and thousands of cars. Clearly you want a vacuum cleaner, and I go with the vacuum cleaner with the skinny nozzle. Basically the only part of the vacuum cleaner that I use. Sometimes if I'm doing a van or a truck, I will change this out for the wider nozzle. The brushes, you would have possibly seen this in the back of my hat because it's the best place to put it. But it's just a regular paintbrush with some tape wrapped around it, as you can see there. They're great for vacuuming in vents, on the dashboard. The other one I use is this type of brush. Now this is an artist brush. It came in a cheapy pack of brushes that you see at the 2 Bob shop for your kids' art supplies. It's got a small head on the end and it's excellent for, again, in vents, but it's also great for wrapping a cloth around, getting down in between the seat and the console. So that's an awesome brush. Brush number 3, a small nail brush. Now nail as in fingernails. This is from the personal care section. Again, only a couple of dollars. Plastic handle, so it's not going to scratch anything, and these are really soft bristles. You don't need to have a brush attached to a drill. This will cover plenty of surface area in no time at all. And you can use it on your leather, on your dashboard, across the top of your doors. Awesome little brush. around steering wheels, around switches, if you haven't got any other kind of brush that, to get into those places, a toothbrush is handy. And the last one that I use, a rubber bristled pet hair brush. This is just from the pet shop or the pet section of your grocery store. It's excellent for just helping to lift stuck on dog hair and pet hair. Well folks, that's vacuuming in a car. Nice and easy with the help of a few little tools stuck in the back of your hack.